My dear MBBS third year students, this is Dr. Rajiv Dhawan, your ENT faculty. Now, third year is a time when everybody is confused what to study out of the previous 2 years and now what to study in addition of the upcoming final year. Because the core subjects like IE, ENT, PSM, which are to be done in this year, gives you ample time for certain extra things. I have few humble suggestions for all of you. Apart from doing IE, ENT and PSM in this third year, you must finish couple of things out of the upcoming final year in this year itself. Why I'm saying so? Because national exit test is coming on the way, and people who are going to appear in the national exit test would not get time in the internship to prepare for the exam, because this exam is going to be conducted before you start your internship. So the preparation of NEXT cannot be similar to the preparation of NEET PG examination. And I'm sure you would agree with me when I say that we must come into more dedicated mindset while we are passing to third year, and as we enter the final year, we are able to do the remaining content, and we're going to revise the already done content as well. So, couple of things you need to finish right now out of the medicine subject. What are they? Number one, please finish cardiology, and when you do cardiology, do cardiac anatomy and cardiac physiology and certain chapters of your pharmacology like antihypertensives and antiarrhythmics also. Number two, please do neurology. Along with that, you do the neuroanatomy and the neurophysiology, and out of pharmacology, please do cover anti-epileptic drugs. Now, third topic which I would want you to finish is, of course, rheumatology. In rheumatology, you are supposed to read the immunology also along with it. Similarly, you should be now focusing on upper limb, lower limb anatomy. Along with that, you finish orthopedics. Okay. And lastly, you have to finish two smaller subjects also. What are they? It would be great in case you can finish skin and psychiatry in the third year itself. I know I'm suggesting you to do a lot out of the final year in your third year only, but the reason is because preparation of NEXT would demand you to be coming into the exam focused approach right from third year. Okay, so when new things start, the approach has to change, and that is a human evolution. Survival of fittest. So let us anticipate what change is coming. Let us change our, outlook towards the exam, which will be different from our seniors. Okay, but make sure you must get certain moments of, a bit of relaxation or some college, festivals if COVID allows us. Do attend all the clinical postings properly. They're very, very important, because clinical postings would be helping you to solve your clinical vignettes also in the NEET PG or NEXT examination. That's very important. And as the third year ends and the final year starts, we'll get into the super focused approach for our upcoming examination. Thank you very much, and best wishes for everyone.